Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can refund Wix premium plan. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Right here in the center, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of your sites. And here in the top, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all sites, explore, hire a professional, and right next to it, you're going to find help. Go ahead and click on help. And then, as you can see, guys, right here in this box, go ahead and type refund. And then go ahead and hit enter. And then search for requesting a refund for a premium or a studio plan. Go ahead and click on this option. And as you can see, guys, here, you're going to find the guide that will guide you step by step on how you can do it. Requesting a refund for a premium or studio plan. Wix offers a 14 days money back guarantee for new premium or studio site plans. If you purchase your site plan within the last 14 days, you're eligible for a full refund. So right now, we're gonna go to this option right here. It says click to cancel your plan now. Go ahead and click on choose plan to cancel. And then once you do that, this will take you right here to this page. And then here you're going to find all of your plans. So just choose the plan that you want to cancel. And then if you are eligible, you're going to be able to refund your plan. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.